What's up everybody, Fishing Chef here, and in today's episode we'll be doing catch and cook on monkey face eels.
Yeah, first monkey face eel ever. Oh.
This is the location we'll be fishing here today. Notice the U-oval shape of this area here? This is a cove, and more often than not, there is a higher chance of finding fish in the cove because cove provides a structure and the environment for fishes and things to hang around. So check out the coves next time you see one. Also, if you notice the wave coming in and it doesn't break, wave breaks when it passes through a structure underwater. So if a wave doesn't break until it gets very close to the shore like this one, this means there is a trench of some sort, which is another great indicator that there could be fish here. Okay, I'm gonna set up my eel rod first. I set up the casting rod with 30-pound mainline and snap on a 50-pound leader with 3 2-size hooks and a 2-ounce weight. I'm using the squid. They have a chewier texture, it stays on the hooks better. I prefer the squid head. 1, you don't have to cut it. 2, the tentacles on the head creates movement underwater, which creates more attention and attracts the fish better.
The land of mussels today. I may not get any fish, but I may get a lot of mussels here. God. What? Look. I may cast one out here and then I'll set up my rig for perch fishing. Let's see.
Monkey face eel tend to stick around the rocks, so fish for them in rocky area that collects water at low tide. Like here.
Monkey face eel. Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my god! Woo-hoo. Look at that monkey face. First monkey face eel ever. Oh, it's pretty big. Oh, dang. Holy. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh, shoot. He got loose. Got loose off the hook. No. You're not going away. To catch me more perch.
For my perch setup, I have a 1-ounce weight, 2 size 6 hook with 2-inch Berkeley goat worm attached to them.
Oh, another one. Another fish. Another perch. Oh, look. It's coming in. Yeah. Woohoo. Is this red tail? Yeah, I think these are red tail perch. I think I might put a bigger rig. Oh yeah. Man, perch are pretty easy to catch. Oh, fish on. Oh no. Something was eating it. No. Recast. Oh, there's one. What? That was easy. totally not expecting. Oh, this is too small. This one you're. Silver perch. You're too small. I'm gonna let you go. Ay. Come on, darling. Look. Bye bye. Flipping. Oh, another eel. Holy. Oh, this one's bigger. Oh my god. I think he snapped. Humongous eel. Oh my god. And my rod broke because of this guy. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, dang. Oh my god. Hey, stop struggling. Let me help you. Ay, Jesus, dude. You're scaring other fish away. What happened to... I know you do. You're free now. Man, that monkey face eel is too big that my freaking rod broke. Oh. Oh, fish on, fish on! Oh. Yeah! I think this one's bigger. It's heavier than all the other ones that I caught earlier. Yes. Woohoo! Perch. Nah, not really big. Small still. Oh, another monkey face eel. Something, I can find another monkey face eel here. Oh, oh, another freaking giant. Maybe I have to go down to get him. Let me get my net. Dang, dude. Man, this is not a safe or smart move at all.
So on this first ever eel fishing trip, I was able to catch 3 eels in one hole and 2 perch while I was waiting for eels to bite. So I can say I'm a happy guy, and time to go home and do some cooking on the eel.
Paralyze him first.
This is the third eel I caught, weighs about 3.4 pounds and 24 inches. Second eel I caught is 3.83 pounds and 24 inches. And the very first eel I caught, the smallest, is 1.5 pounds and 17 inches. Going to put them out using this tool and skip the graphic part.
Two hours later.
Finally! It is so much work to take the skin and fillet the eels because their skin is so slimy. Okay, it's time to cook. This is the special sauce I made in my last video.
Seafood sauce. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, time to flip. Oh my god. Good. Buttery garlicky. Oh, smells so good. Let me see if I can cut it in half. If I can cut it in half, that means it's cooked. Okay, it's cooked. Look at that. Fishing chef specialty monkey face pickleback eel with my special sauce.
Man, look at that flaky, juicy, drizzling piece of goodness. I hope this tastes better than the stingray. Can't wait to bite it. This is good. Because this type of fish is like an eel, when they swim, they have to wave their body around, which produce these great fillets that are all muscles, but flaky and tender. Also, I think this would be really good if I fry them. I'll give this a 95 out of 100. And let's all take a moment to appreciate this delicacy. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!